What is up, everyone? J Flores here, and no, just wait. Watch this. What is up, everyone? J Flores here, and for today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to cook some Bistek Tagalog. So before we start, that B-roll or that intro was really good for me personally. I mean, that was my first time doing a so-called B-roll, so I hope you'd like that one. And from this point on, every episode we're gonna start it that way. On what dish yung i-feature natin for this episode or for the next episode, we will start it with a B-roll. Okay? Let's proceed. Before we start again, please hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to cook. If cooking is your thing, please do hit that and the bell right beside the button. So yeah, go ahead. For this recipe, this is really simple. I say simple all the time, but this one, it is really simple. You just need the basics of a bistek, but I'm gonna teach you how we can make the beef really tender in just seconds. Because yung mga struggle natin is, I made a bistek and then the beef was so tough, it was so hard, it was so chewy. Say goodbye to those. Okay, I'm gonna teach you in this video how to make the perfect bistek. Without further ado, game. that is it for today's episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home. And I hope, again, you will try that at home. So yeah, I think that was really simple. Really simple. And I hope you've learned something new today. You will apply that sa susunod nyo magluto ng bistek or any beef dish na gusto nyong palalambutin. It was really easy. It was just like what? Deep frying for a couple of seconds. I think that's it. It was any cut of beef, that technique will do. So bear that in mind. Again, never forget to follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page and my other Facebook page where I'm doing a little business on the side. Oh yeah, if you've noticed, I'm kinda upping up my game sa pag-shoot when it comes to either food or just me talking, the lights, everything, studios, my 2 lights, yeah, right there on the back. It's because I think my quality is getting, I don't know, not that good. But then again, sa kitchen medyo wala pa akong magagawa kasi I don't have my own kitchen. I still live with my parents, so I can't renovate my kitchen or our kitchen. So yeah, please bear with that. Soon, pag yayaman tayo, we'll make a professional kitchen like Erwan Yusaf's. The looks, I got it. The kitchen, not yet. So yeah, I hope you had fun. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.